just like Grandma used to make. So good, so easy, so simple, and available to you too. Quit depriving yourself and eat more brownies. This is proof that you don't have to give up things and it doesn't have to be perfect. You can throw it together this fast and have a delicious dessert or a treat to satisfy your cravings just like that. You gotta try them. You gotta tell me if you like them. If you're looking for something quick, easy, delicious, this is the dessert. This is it right here. It's a no-brainer. Probably most of the ingredients you have right now in your kitchen. Probably there's only one thing you probably don't have on hand. The rest, pretty much I'm sure you already have in your pantry. And ready in 30 minutes. You guys, it doesn't get much better than this. Well, it gets better if you eat them. Chewy, rich, chocolatey, perfect. I've been asked to make my grandma's 100-year-old Texas chocolate sheet cake for you guys. But you know, on this channel, we do everything keto, low carb. You can have this fudgy, delicious, dense, moist brownie cake that fast. So moist. I think you're gonna like them. I hope you do. If you want a more cake-like, you leave out the butter and the water. If you want it more brownie-like, make it exactly like this recipe. It's all about the right ingredients now. That's what I've learned. It took me this long and 8 years on a keto low-carb lifestyle to finally get to this point in my life on this channel. And if that's you too, you're actually in the right place. Almond flour tends to burn, you guys, so you need to lower the temperature when you're cooking keto stuff so you don't burn the bottom of it. That's why people they buy it at 375, 400. You can never cook at 375, 400 with almond flour. Like, that's what's killing your baking. Ask you, if you get any value out of my channel whatsoever, would you please click to subscribe? Give me a like, a comment. Tell me what other recipes that you miss on your diet that you want me to try to recreate keto. And I will do that for you guys because I'm always looking for good ideas and things. But what was your favorite grandma's childhood dessert? Like, that's what I really want to know, because this one was an absolute staple in our family back in Missouri. My dad will tell you to this day, are you gonna make grandma's cake? We call it grandma's cake. There's the oven ready. Okay, we're gonna pop it in middle rack. I'm gonna start at 25 minutes. It's pretty thin, but it's supposed to be that way, guys. That's what it's supposed to be like. Oh, it's already looking so good. I'm gonna show you guys. I don't want to open it because I don't want to screw it up. Can you see it at all? I don't know how much you can see. Resist opening that oven. It's going to make your cake fall. Our little tip. You know what? You can serve this to people and I promise you they will not know it's keto. They will just think it's delicious. Grandma, if she was here, she'd be like, oh, honey. And I'd tell her, Grandma, I made your cake, and not tell her. And she might think it tastes a little bit different, but damn, it's good. After 45 years, I've learned you do not have to give up anything to get and stay at a sustainable weight. You can have the cake. You can have the ice cream. Stop believing those lies and just make it with the right ingredients. I've got playlists of stuff here. Just start with the video of how the 10 things where I was 2 years ago when I had gotten fat again and gained all the weight back. Start with the 10 things I did to get back to the low carb. And then you can move into more restriction if you choose to or don't. The newest video I just did, I'll tell you there's 4 different plans of low carb. When I started in 2018, there was one way, and it was strict keto, and that's it. But that is not the way. And I am living proof. And there is not a piano tied to your rear end, and if one doesn't work, you can change it. It's that simple. Trust me, you guys. I know you don't really know me, but I have been walking that disastrous path for 45 years, and it's over for me. It ended last October. And I've even changed things from January and February. Like I don't track my macros. I don't track calories. Thing that I used to do that used to drive me mental. And the food noise is completely quiet, and my life and my weight is completely managed. I'm going to check the cake. There's the timer. We're going to do a knife test. We're at 25 minutes. No, we're not ready. Do you see how brownie-like it looks? Yum, 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 yum. You're going to have the perfect brownies in 30 minutes. Here we go. Tell me if this isn't the most delicious looking brownie cake you've ever seen. See how good it looks? Look at those edges. Is this lovely? Look at that. Look at that. Brownies. Quick, easy, delicious, and ready in 30 minutes. I'm Karen. I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Oh my gosh, it smells so delicious. I know oh, here he is. He's coming. He's going to be yelling at me. Where are you? Look at that. I'm trying to film my YouTube brownie video. You guys, does that look good? So delicious. Bye, guys.